Okay, guys and girls, for the second time around, I'm gonna try again my luck here in Santa Lucia to win one of the scooter. What is this? Yeah, scooter. This could be my second time around, guys and girls. I wasn't able to win the first draw, and then after a week I'm here again to drop this. Okay, wish me luck, guys and girls. So if you still have time, you can still catch up this one. This could be the second days, guys and girls, on winning. I know, second raffle draw. This could be the deadline, okay? And you still have December 25 and January 1. Join.